Today on the Roy Garage, we are going to install this truck bed cover on our new edition of a 2019 Ram truck. Let's get started.
First, you're going to want to take a picture of the make and model of your tonneau cover.
All right, next up, we're going to attach this bulkhead seal to the cab side of the truck bed. You want to go from side rail to the side rail and cut off whatever is extra. Luckily for us, past owner already had it done. Now you grab the side rails, you flip them over, and you're gonna attach these little pads to the corners. You'll notice that these two are a little bit different shape than those two, and these are the E's that we are gonna be using on this step.
Now you grab your cover with the crossbar and place it into position. Now you grab your sidebars and place them into the crossbar. Okay, these next.
Oh,
I think.
I don't know who needs that anyways.
Next, you place your C-clamps.
You want to make sure you get the front clamp as far forward as possible and the back clamp as far back as possible.
And the middle C-clamp will be offset a little bit depending on where the ribs and the tonneau cover line up.
Kaylee, this is looking pretty good.
I'd say so.
Important thing with these clamps is that you get it on the grooves on the inside here. I almost didn't do that, but Kaylee, she wasn't going to get it wrong.
You know, sometimes I'm good for something.
After installing your C-clamps, your side rails may have moved around a little bit, so go back and make sure they're aligned properly.
Perfect. I mean, I know you don't want to screw it up. It's not yours.
Next, roll out your tonneau cover.
All right, we're done. We want to make sure that this spacing between here and the rail is at least 1/8 of an inch. All right, you got yours at about 1/8?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about 1/8 here. But now we roll it back and we tighten her down.
I don't know.
We gotta add the pads, Kaylee.
What? To where?
The pads. Right here.
Oh, man. How did we miss that?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Just kidding.
You know, make sure they're not on nice and tight. Adhesive. That's a word. I don't know.
It is now. At least it'll be on the internet. I'm sending this to your grandma.
Which grandma?
All of them.
I'm sure they'll love it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, broken nail. Oh.
What do you do with that, Kaylee?
I don't know. It's a mushroom. It's a sticker.
Oh, we're done. Just kidding. I turned the page.
No. Time out. You skipped some steps. You skipped 9 through 12 to get to 13.
What?
So we rolled it out. We saw that was 1/8. Now we need to go back and we need to get these tight with something.
Oh. How many Newton pounds?
9.
How many foot pounds?
7.
Let's see. Holy cow, this is like Jake should know these are really nice. He's got to back them out when he's done using them. Jeez.
You know, sometimes you just gotta let him do his thing.
Yeah.
And he learns from it.
This only goes down to 30 inch pounds.
Uh-oh.
We need
feet pounds.
We need foot pounds. What's 7 times 12?
84? Question mark?
7.
77
times
is 11.
7.
What's 7 plus 7 is 14. Yeah, 84. I am right.
84.
Oh, math major coming in.
Dang, I was
Yeah.
probably close. What was it? 80 something?
84. I hope.
If not, Jake will let us know when we post the video. There it was. There it was. Double check. It's premature.
What do you mean double check?
There's a couple turns in there. All right, you get this side on the end here because we got the distance properly set here. Used to eyeballed it. Kaylee did that side, I did this side, so we'll see how straight they are. And then now we're gonna go tighten the other back one on that side.
The anticipation.
It's killing me. There you go, back up. Oh, whoa, 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 it clicked. Didn't click. There you go. There it clicked. That should be good. All right, now you go back.
Yep. But something about the middle. Yep.
Center. Oh yeah, yeah. Both. So we got to be in front of this. Man, Jake might be losing his job here.
Go ahead and tighten the rest of the clamps. Make sure to give it the good old shake test.
Now that we've gotten these all tightened down, now we roll this all the way to the end. And the step that we did earlier is you put the adhesives on.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, we skipped ahead.
We
Didn't we?
skipped ahead.
Now you're supposed to put.
Now we latch it.
Okay. Oh geez, that's.
That does sound good.
You wanna, yeah.
It said not to mess with the springs.
Yeah. Maybe it was just a little sticky because it was the first time. It was just a little sticky the first time.
Let's hold. And now we want to put all this down.
Start from the middle. What? Where did you close it? The tailgate?
Yeah, it's now that it's all pushed down. You're ready to drive in cover position. We did it. That right there is how you put a truck bed cover on the truck. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that and then put this a thumbs up so maybe you'll get me more often.
Oh, Kaylee.
Look at this baby.